What do you think about this apartment, Tom? Do you like it?
I love it. When can we move in?
Really? What do you like about it?
Well, for one thing, the living room is huge. It's much bigger than the one we have now.
That's true. This apartment does have a lot more floor space.
So, when can we move in?
I don't know. I haven't decided if I really like it that much.
What? Why not?
Well, the rent is a little high, and it's a little far from your school and my work. The commute will be a little longer.
But Mom said it would just take an extra 10 minutes. That's not very long.
Yeah, I guess so. I'm not so sure about the kitchen, though. It's a little small, and there aren't many windows, so we wouldn't get much sunlight.
Well, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. After all, it does have an extra bedroom. That could be my playroom.
Or my exercise room.
When's the building manager coming back?
He said he would be back in a few more minutes, so we still have time to look around a little.
Hey, what door is this? Oh, it's a closet.
If we do decide to live here, I hope the neighbors aren't too noisy.
Okay, so we've looked at all the bedrooms, the kitchen, the living room, and even the closets.
Yeah?
We forgot something.
What?
The bathroom. Where's the bathroom?
Huh?
I have to go to the bathroom. Where is it?